So, angelology. So, yung angelology is yung pag-aaral ng mga doctrines o katotohanan tungkol sa mga anghel. So, yun yung part ng theology that studies about angels. Angelology. Diba, meron tayong Christology, yung pagiging Messiah ni Lord. Yung Mariology, yung study about the Blessed Mother. At meron din tayong Angelology. Yun yung mga branches ng theology na dapat natin pag-aralan, especially yung ating Catholic theology, no? And theology in general, which is the study of God. So yun yung mga, kasi theology is also a science. Kasi minsan yung theology, yun yung pinaka-least science na ating pinag-aaralan, pero yun yung pinaka-importante. Kasi yun yung may effect sa buhay natin. Of all the sciences, yun yung may direktang buhay effect sa lahat ng mga tao. At syempre, alam naman natin meron tayong guardian angel, di ba? So dapat alam natin yung tawag sa pag-aaral tungkol sa mga angels. Angelology, angel, and then logy. Yung logy is pag-aaral. Consider it as a science. From the word logos. So, yun lang po. Kasi it's a Sunday naman eh. So, what better day to study those bago man lang and Holy Week pa. What a better way to end the Palm Sunday this 2024 and then to know these terms. So, yun lang po.